Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change your username on OnlyFans account. So the first step is to open your web browser and type in onlyfans.com into the web address bar, and after you do that, press search. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official site of OnlyFans. Make sure to type in your credentials well in the sign in area and log into your account. After you're logged in, from the main homepage, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. In the expanded menu, tap on Setting. In the Settings menu, tap on Account. Now, click on the username appearing at the very top of the screen. Once you tap on your username, you'll be able to see this text box. Go ahead and type in a new username you'd like to use for your account. After typing in your username, tap on the Save button and you'll be able to change your username on OnlyFans. That is how you can easily update the username to a new one according to your preference on OnlyFans. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.